What's up, everyone? This is my week in real estate. My week was awesome. Bunch of cool stuff, except for one bad one. I tore my calf muscle. So this is the third time that I've torn my calf muscle. It really sucks. I can't get around. My mobility is gone. I can't go to the gym anymore this upcoming week. So I'm gonna have some spare time. Let's see what I do with it. Well, actually, I'm gonna be going to a lot of therapy. Maybe I'll be there. I closed one of my flips earlier this week, which was cool. It's always like a really nice feeling to complete something and everything worked out. So it worked out perfect. I bought another property this week too, closed the escrow, so happy about that, long-term deal. I met with a longtime friend and client earlier this year. It's been like 12 years, so it was like really cool. She hired me to sell her property and excited about that. I saw the NBA Finals this week, which was dope, just relaxing for me. I love watching the NBA Finals. I got a kick back. And I did my first open house this past weekend, the first open house in over a year, which is crazy. So it was cool to be out there just like refreshing, We ended up selling that house too. I ate so much great food over this past weekend. It was just like really good coffee, really good, vegan food. It was just a really good time. And we handed out several keys this week. We closed some deals. Again, that's one of my favorite parts of being a realtor, is just handing out keys. And this weekend is I'm going to a doctor today to officially get, what's the word? I guess for the doctor to see me and just tell me exactly what's wrong, how long it's going to take for rehab. I'm going to be doing that. It's my niece's birthday. I'm going to go see her. I'm going to meet up with my high school basketball coach and just brainstorm some ideas that we've been talking about lately. So that's my week in real estate. Voltaire Lappe. Talk to you later. Peace.